In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI on the web without an account. If you're looking for a fast, simple way to ask questions and get helpful answers without signing up for anything, this walkthrough is for you. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Perplexity AI website. You don't need to install an app or create an account, which makes it perfect for quick research or a one-off task. As a quick tip, always make sure you're on the official site by checking for a secure connection in your address bar. Around the middle of this video is a good time to mention that I've placed the official website link right at the top of the description, so you can click that to go straight there. Once the homepage loads, you'll see a chat box front and center. You can start typing your question or prompt immediately. Keep your prompt clear and specific to get the best results. For example, include any context, goals, or constraints you care about, like a target audience, a deadline, or a tone. When you're ready, press enter on your keyboard or click the ask button, and Perplexity AI will get to work. You should see a response appear almost instantly. Read through it carefully and then keep the conversation going by adding follow-up questions right in the same chat. This is where the tool really shines. You can refine the answer, ask for simpler explanations, request examples, or narrow the focus. If you need a step broken down further, say so. If you want a summary or a comparison, ask for it. Treat it like a collaborative back and forth so the AI can tailor the output to your needs. When you find an answer you want to keep, copy the text and paste it into your notes, a document, or an email to yourself. Since you're not using an account, your chat history won't be stored once you leave the page. That's convenient for privacy, but it also means you should save anything important before moving on. As a best practice, avoid pasting confidential or sensitive details into any chat. When you're done, simply close the website. There's no login, no registration, and no extra steps. If you come back later, you'll start fresh with a new chat. That's it. Open the site, ask your question, interact to refine the answer, copy what you need, and close the tab when finished. The official link is at the top of the description for easy access. Thanks for watching.